A digital currency introduced in 2009, whose value was less than a dollar, is trading now with a price of rupees 1 crore. Yes, I am talking about Bitcoin, which leads to the beginning of the crypto market. Basically, in this video, we are going to discuss how you can trade or invest in cryptocurrency in the year 2025, and if you are planning, so whether it is a right time or not for investing in cryptocurrency. We can see that crypto market is crashing. The prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other coins are falling, which is creating panic in the market. But most important question arises whether it is the best time to invest in cryptocurrency. As there is famous saying, always buy when there is blood on the street. It means we should invest in market when it is dumping. Now for example, if I show you Trump coin, here it has hit a high of $70 in a single day and then it has come back and fallen to $17. Now, most of us are confused as whether it is pump and dump scheme or was there a really huge opportunity to make money which we have missed. Now let's understand some reason due to which crypto market is crashing. The first reason is uncertainty of the global market. The crypto market is not only depend on Bitcoin and all coins but also on stock market, inflation rates etc. Now let's go little further here and understand the second reason for the crypto market going down. That is Trump executive orders. Look, Donald Trump signed his executive orders on 23rd January 2025, in which the US government said that crypto will not be regulated, which does not create positive sentiment for investors. So due to lack of regulation, the market has become little risky for investors. Now, you all have question if Trump is not supportive of crypto, then why he launched his own Trump coin? First of all, I want to tell that it is not actual cryptocurrency. It is a meme coin, which means you cannot invest in them. Just because of this, speculative trading started. Speculative trading is nothing, it is like a gambling, where people only do expectations and invest money. When Trump coin was announced, after that his official website was launched. Now, inside the website, if you read the disclaimer, he has openly told that this is not an investment opportunity, it is a meme coin. But people were not going to believe it because Donald Trump talked about it, promoted it as well, so people felt that this is a very good opportunity. People started investing. Now, what happened was that all the supporters of Trump speculated that Trump is pushing it. So many people started investing, and when the price pumped, they started selling, and price came down again. The same thing happened with the Elon Musk meme coin. That in the short term, hype was created, the price was pumped and then dumped. Now, a question must be coming to your mind that all these things that are going on, is this is a great investment opportunity for us or this is a pump and dump scheme? Whenever the market crashes, then people started selling their good in panic. But this is the best time for smart investors to buy things because you get things cheaper. Now, if you see the old data when the market has crashed, example, when the crash of 2018 come, Bitcoin fell from $19,000 to $3,100 and the same thing happened during COVID crash. So, this created an opportunity for the investors as you get the commodity at lower price. Due to this, large scale investors invested their money and in 2021 crypto boomed up and made high of $65,000. So, if you invest money around this crash in the right thing, then after that, when the recovery phase comes, you get very good return. Now, what strategy you can use so that you can also make money from this crash? So, there is a simple strategy that when you see dip in the market, you should invest a little money on every dip. Suppose you see that Bitcoin has come down to 2 or 3%, you can invest your money. And if I talk about how you can do trading, if you are trading, then see, when there is rally in the market, we jump in without thinking. We think that everyone is making money, we should also be a part of this. So we get into FOMO, that is fear of missing out, and take trade without thinking. So these things work both in investing and trading. If you are trading, always use stop loss. So use right strategy and operate with strict stop loss. If you do not do these things, then you can incur huge losses because without research, if you invest money anywhere, then you will definitely incur loss. My work is to guide you and rest is all depend on you. So remember all these things before starting investing or trading. So If you love the video, like the video and share with everyone who wanted to start trading or investing in crypto market in the year 2025.